Rookies, good morning from the Disneyland Resort, and welcome to a rookie video about Lightning Lane Multi-Pass. Now, Disneyland offers 3 different types of Lightning Lane passes. They offer the Multi-Pass, the Single Pass, and the Premier Pass. But I think we discuss those differences at the end of the video, once we know how Lightning Lane works. But for this video, we will only be talking about Lightning Lane Multi-Pass. Now, as a disclaimer, before we kick things off, I might be referring to Lightning Lane as Genie Plus, as Fast Pass, even as Disney Plus. So I will always be referring to Lightning Lane Multi-Pass when I make that mistake. Let's chat about some Lightning Lane ground rules. Maybe common knowledge to some, but great for a rookie to know. So Lightning Lane is a program that you can enroll in to wait in a priority line. But it's still a line. What am I spending all of this money for? That's right, Jingles. It is still a line, but a special line, and it will save you time. Lightning Lanes are time specific. So, when you book it, you will be given a return time. But don't worry, you'll know what this return time is before finalizing your booking. You can only book one Lightning Lane at a time and can't rebook for 2 hours or until you use your current Lightning Lane, whichever comes sooner. You may only use Lightning Lane once per Lightning Lane eligible ride. There are no re-rides. Lightning Lane for popular rides will run out, so be sure to prioritize your favorites. So you can purchase Multi-Pass in the Disneyland app or on the ticketing page of the Disneyland website. On the website, when you select your ticket, it will prompt you to prepay for Lightning Lane Multi-Pass or parking. Check that box, and when you continue, the verification page will indicate that your ticket includes the Lightning Lane selection. Say you forgot to purchase it when booking your ticket. You can always add it later in the Disneyland app. To purchase Lightning Lane same day in the park, you must have the Disneyland app and you have to physically be inside of the park. So once you scan that ticket to enter the park, we can then purchase Lightning Lane. So to do so, we will have the app. We will navigate to the hamburger icon in the bottom right and then click the Lightning Lane Passes block. Here, we'll do some light reading of all the passes they offer. We'll select the Multi-Pass, do some even more light reading. We'll continue. And here, we will confirm our party. Now, you will notice I have 2 tickets here and 1 is not eligible. It's because that hasn't been used to enter the park yet today. But if you have additional people, you can link a ticket or a Magic Key pass there. And we can use the camera, tap, or ID to link it to the pass. And here, now we will select our party, select everyone that you will be purchasing Lightning Lane for, and we'll continue with the purchase. Easy enough, we can now book a Lightning Lane. To book a Lightning Lane, we must use the app. As long as the tickets are linked to your app, a single person can book Lightning Lane for multiple people. You can book this through the tip board in the app. There are a couple of ways to get there. The simplest way is using the plus icon in the bottom middle of the app and select Book Lightning Lane Entry. Here on the tip board, the app provides wait times for all attractions and the Multi-Pass return time for eligible attractions. Not all attractions can accommodate Lightning Lane, so they have this really neat option to show only Lightning Lane experiences. up at the top, there's an option to change the park, so you can select rides between Disneyland and California Adventure Park. You will see 2 blocks of information under each ride: the current standby time and the earliest return time available for Lightning Lane entry. Simply select the attraction that you want to book, select your party, and you're done. You can then select a new ride at the provided time interval, or when you redeem the current one. Be sure to set an alarm so you can take full advantage of this program. To redeem a Lightning Lane, if you toggle over to the My Day section, it will show all of the Lightning Lanes that you have booked. When it's time to redeem one, a redeem button will appear. When you click on that, it will display a barcode for everyone in your party. You simply take this barcode to the designated Lightning Lane line. You'll scan it, and then you follow cast member instructions. The Lightning Lane entrances are very well marked. If a ride is temporarily down and you booked a Lightning Lane for the time that the ride was unavailable, you will be issued a wild card Lightning Lane called a Multiple Experience Pass. This will allow you to enjoy a different attraction or wait until the attraction you selected is available again. This pass must be used same day, but it does not have a return window. And a secret, it does not count towards your one ride quota, your 1 Lightning Lane per ride quota. So go ahead and rebook the ride that you missed out on, and perhaps you can ride it twice. Now it's time to discuss Lightning Lane Single Pass and Lightning Lane Premier Pass as promised. Lightning Lane Single Pass only applies to 2 rides currently. These are rides that are eligible for Lightning Lane but are not included in the multi-pass experience. These 2 rides include what I'm at right now, Star Wars Rise of the Resistance, and then Disney California Adventure Park, it's Radiator Springs Racers. These 2 rides you must purchase Lightning Lane individually from the multi-pass experience. The prices may vary for these attractions. You can see this on the tip board when booking a Lightning Lane. You'll see next to these 2 rides, it details the Lightning Lane Single Pass eligibility with a price. They will assign a return time for you to come back and ride the ride. So Lightning Lane Premier Pass operates similarly to Lightning Lane Multi-Pass in that it is eligible for many rides. However, the one distinction is that there is no return times assigned. You just show up to the Lightning Lane eligible ride and you ride it. This program demands a higher cost. It starts currently at $400 per person per day. But to be able just to show up and cut out basically this entire video of planning and booking and redeeming, and I can really see why this is a beneficial program that they offer. Lightning Lane Multipass is an amazing program that has many rookies scratching their heads. So, I hope you found this video entertaining and of course informational. So, if you have any additional questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. If I missed something, also let me know. I will work on a strategy video soon where I share my tips and tricks that I have learned using the program myself. So, thanks, rookies.